Okay, seems like working. What's this in? Ah, okay. Okay. Let's split the project. Ah, okay, let's start. Ah, wait, I want to open the documentation. There we go. Hey, Rectail, how are you doing? I'm kinda fine. Did a lot of exams. I have one left, but I have more time for this, so should be fine. Yeah, I have only failed one out of 5, so and the next exam is like how do you say it? Like the second chance of the first one. Yeah. The fact it's like the one I have right now, like you press a key and it lights up, but by default it can only do one color, and I want like this same thing but a random color. So that's what I'm going to try. This first part of the code is like to detect if we can, if the device is plugged in, and then to let the program take control of the LEDs. And if it reaches this point, then we are controlling the keyboard. So that's success. And it will not compile because I need to set this to 64 bits. You see, success. We can control the keyboard. And this went off because then I need to disable the controller of the LED before the program closes. So now this is working. Hello. Okay, so now I'm going to do a loop so the program doesn't close. So now this is open until I write 0, and then it closes. So that's good. Next thing is to set like a callback, which is when a key is pressed, this will go in this code. And this requires this iRow, iColumn, and iRow. Okay. There we go. That's working. Yeah, but it's this PDF is like the only thing because there is one example code, but it's in Chinese. So yeah, good luck with that. And this is more like a reference. It only says the parameters. And ¿qué te ocurre, Alvino? No te ignoro, pero ¿qué quieres que te responda eso? Okay, so if the key is down, we are going to light it. Just a test. What was it? Set LED color. Ya no me queda, vaya. This should be too hard. I don't know. Not too hard, but okay. So it's lighting in white when I press the key. So that's working. Well, that breaks thing, but don't worry. I will fix that. Nope. No way defeated 7. Say no, no. Like it should be easy. I mean, oh shoot. Okay. I mean, yes, but there's will there will be like a fade out so that it doesn't turn off immediately the LED. So uh, that will make it a bit harder. No, Albino. So we need this for random numbers. No, there isn't an alpha. You just because like the LED is just RGB. There's no like layer or something. And also, even if there was an alpha parameter, you need to adjust it over time. So that's the hard part. But it's fine because we can make like a matrix of colors. Set the keyboard to that matrix, and every millisecond subtract from those colors. So let's make it. But we'll need a better color, so let's add some files. Color.h and color. Okay. I don't wanna go out. Just let me be. I'm fine here. Oh my god, please. Okay. So I want to use HSP because if I make a random RGB color, I can make like a really dark color, and that's not cool. See you later, Reptile. It's not worrying. Oh, I love you. Don't. Yeah, I'm writing. Imagine keyboard sound louder than voice. That's good because my keyboard sounds good, my voice doesn't. So that's good. I want to know S and B. They are from 0 to 1. From 0 to 100. 1 minus S. Fs. What is Fs? Oh my god. S is 0, 1. Okay, fine. Fuck it. There we go. Bye. And no, I'm not going anywhere. Oh no, actually, on Saturday I'm going to my grandparents' house, so yeah. That's actually true, I had forgotten that. It's been a while. Oh, really? I mean, it's been a while since I coded something not for university, but like my own stuff. I don't know what to make. Yeah, that's usually the problem. Oh, and this should go like this because they are private. S B B. Okay. Should I put like music or something? I think I should because sometimes I go quiet and that could be too boring. Is Prama once like an inclusion guard? I don't know about that. Um. Okay, so now we have HSP color. I'm going to make like Master has their own color thing, so I will make thing to transform to cast the with the set. Um, where is it? Key color, this thing. So we want. Oh, also the constructor. I forgot that. So I want a constructor with float h equals to 1 by default, well, 0 by default, s equals to 1 equals to 1, so h, s equals s, b equals b. I should also check this, but well, let's do it. If this h is less than 0, h is equals to 0. If h is greater than 1, h equals 1. We always have to check the limits. Same with s. Wait. S, S, B, and there we go. So now we want here key color and B. Okay, so now let's check this. Because I need, this is RGB and I have HSP, so I need to convert from one to other. So, oh, I should use English Wikipedia, but whatever. This is math. Everybody can understand math. So we need to calculate all this stuff, and then here we have RGB, RGB, RGB. So HI equals floor H over 60 modulus 6. Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay. So I guess this is a float. HI equals floor H times 360 over 60 modulus 6. And 360 over 60 is 6, so yeah, can replace that. I'll also link this. So F is H times Cs modulus Cs minus HI. P equals this is like this. Oh my god. B. Wait, what's wrong? Expression. Int what? What do you mean? Floor should be. It should be fine. Oh, maybe because this is like like this. Does this work? Okay. 8 times 360. Are you giving error? This is h times sys. There's something weird here. Okay, let's make this int. Int. Okay, no errors now, so I guess that's good. Oh wait, okay, yeah, that goes out. What's the problem of floor? Double. Okay, whatever. Let's keep writing the formula. 1 minus s q is p times 1 minus fs. And what is fs? Oh wait, it's f times s. Never mind. different kind of S. So S equals one minus as is the maximum value of RGB mean this is 0, so it's always 1. So the 1 minus F times S. And now if switch HI case 0, this is an integer, equals B D B equals B break Q B and V. So B. Oh my god, reading this is so annoying. Never mind. Too big for the screen. Case 2. This is such a weird calculation. I would like to know these values in the Wikipedia. What range do they have? Because yeah, this is from 0 to 1, 0 to 100 is this. and these RGB values are from 0 to 1, I think, so it should be multiplied by 255 probably. Okay, so what we can do is key, declare a key color matrix maths.row maths.column. Here we are going to while true, slip one, set all let color matrix wait, what is that? A different structure? Oh, it is. Okay, so color matrix globally declared and here we're going to say matrix.keyColor I row I column equals key color white, okay, and here black, and that should be the same as we had before. Okay. Oh shit. What's this? H. What? Oh, this is missing. Investigate yellow. And probably Windows H. Okay, so it's working as before, so that's good. but now it doesn't close. So that's bad. But it's fine. It's fine. Because we can make this into a thread. So we can do this thread. Thread. Wait, I only know threads in C. So let's say how they are made in C++. Okay, they don't seem too hard, so we'll have here an std thread. Yo, hello. Thread. You know, selenium. No, what's that? Selenium. Oh, it's like a testing tool. Testing of web applications. Sounds cool. Oh, and it also has an ID. What? I didn't know that. Wait, but this is inside a thread. Okay, so I can just call the distractor and that should do it. Like that. Yeah, that's not... Didn't seem like a good idea. I was hoping you could help me with something. Anyways, Selenium can do things. Websites automatic. Testing website pressing buttons. Oh. Well, I didn't know that, but if I can help you, I'll try to. Wait, it's too dark already, right? Yeah, you cannot see much on camera. That's better. So, oh yeah, that's right. Oops, no, I pressed insert. Can you show what you did on the keyboard for now? Well, I have, wait, this isn't working, so I'll comment this out and put this here. So when you press a key, it lights, and when you release it, it goes black. So this is kinda what I want, but on a random color. Like, I will use HSB, set a random hue, and let the other values to maximum. And then instead of instantly going black, I want them to fade out. I mean, the keyboard already has that effect, but it's with one color only. So that's what I want to change. Oh wait, I lost the... Like this, but random colors. So, oh yeah, I was moving this loop to a thread so that I could close the program. Yeah, I want to know how to like terminate the thread, but from the main, because std terminate does it on the thread that it's calling the function. Join. What does detach do? That sounds like something that could help. Std thread detach. No, that doesn't seem like what I want. That is the thread represented by the object from thread, allowing them to execute independently from each other. The circuits on the keyboard should work in a certain color all the time. Well, that shouldn't be too hard. Instead of making them go black when they fade out, you can just make the transition to like a base color. So yeah, that shouldn't be too hard to change. But for now, I want it black because I don't know, I like black. TD Future, what the hell is this? Economist object. What's this? I never saw this. You have an account on GitHub? Yes, I do. It's this one. This is like the biggest project, and it's a university project. We still have to work on it a little bit. And I don't know. This doesn't work. This is a cool program I use for like generating thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And I don't know. There are some random projects. This one is also cool. Update thread dot detach get id join, but join waits for it. And if I destroy it, doesn't really stop. So how do I do this? I was thinking of setting like a global variable, but that wouldn't work if they both touch the variable. Well, if this says it, okay, it's working. 0, and there was an error about has been equaled. Yeah, that's not really good, but it will work for now. Let's move on making a random color. So I made this color class, which is in HSV, but I'm not very sure about this conversion to RGB. But for now, let's leave it like this. So I need a color, random color equals, well, let's call the construct like this. H is going to be a random number from 0 to 361. Oh, I mean from 0 to 160. And now I want this. This wasn't right. I don't remember what I was using. Hundreds. Okay, yeah. Just like this. By random, do you mean to make a list of colors? No. It's even better. I'm going to do an HSV color. One of these. So, both saturation and brightness will be to maximum. So it will be this vertex of the triangle. And I will set a random hue. So it can be any of these colors on the ring. And then this HSB color needs to get transformed into RGB, and that's the part that I'm not very sure if is correct or not. So here I should make random color dot get key color. Let's hope this works. Oh, it's kinda working. I don't know if you can see on camera. Let me check. Oh, like this. Oh, my fingers are like. Hey, not bad, I like it. By the way, I tried your sneaking, I got. Yeah, the snake game isn't working because I was like trying out Python and it didn't go too well. I mean, I should have another Python game written in JavaScript somewhere. Or did I? No, I think I still have it. But yeah, I don't know where it is. Okay, so now this goes out, and I will do let's make a void. Oh, darken matrix, something like that, and I will darken the matrix on every frame. Zero maths led row for j equals 0 j maths led column j plus plus. Okay, so matrix dot key color ji dot r. I should make something to control the speed, but for now let's just subtract 1. Oh, what the fuck? What's going on? That's not exactly what I wanted. It's doing weird stuff. Let's see. Also, let's take that. So, subtracting won't work. Key color equals this. Let's subtract 10. And let's say if it's less than 0 equals 0. I'm trying to make like when they go darker, I mean when they go to black after you release the key, make it go like a fade and not instantly. So on every frame, every millisecond, it will subtract from the colors, from every color on the matrix. That's why I have a double 4. Okay. So colors are changing, but they are not going black. Hmm. Oh, I'm stupid. Matrix dot key color j I equals c. Okay. Yeah, that's not exactly what I want. Also, these should go here, and these should be must let go. Okay. So why is this going white? That's my question. Why is this going white? This is like so weird. Let's make it slower. But I would like to know what's going on with this matrix. I could check the variables over here, right? I don't really use the debugger much, so, and even less on this program. Where R is defined. What are? Oh, this is a structure, and inside this structure you have RG and B, and these are byte variable. This is like on the library of the keyboard. RG and B. But I have this. I don't know why it goes back to white once it's like it's subtracting, going darker and darker, and once it gets to black, boom, you have white again, and that's like I have this thing, so that shouldn't happen. Oh, maybe it. Mm, Let me try this. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, so now there is no red. Oh, okay. I know what's going on. So the best way is going to be int r equals dr int rgb. We change it using integers, and then we make it back to bytes. I'm going to do like so. RGB. Do I need like byte this? Okay. No, it's back to byte. Oh my god, I love facts. These are. Oh. Okay. If r is less than 0, r equals 0. If j is less than 0, j equals 0. And if b is less than 0, b equals 0. Now it should work. Okay, we have this. Okay, it's fading. It's fading. That's cool. Like this. I like it. Nice, yeah, it's pretty nice. What about keyholes? Let's try. I don't know what if that works. Wait, I'll open Notepad for that. Oh, it goes back to. Even if I hold, it goes back to the color, to black. So okay, let's think. Let's think. How can I do that? I can change this. Wait, that maybe that's not the best idea ever. Okay, I'm going to have like my own matrix thing. Struct keyboard matrix, and I have a color matrix and a boolean hold, which is going to be a matrix math-led rows and math-led columns. Okay. So we delete this, and we are going to have activity matrix called, well, this will be colors. So matrix dot colors dot key color, matrix dot colors dot key color, matrix dot colors, matrix dot colors. Okay, and now here we're going to say if matrix dot hold ji, if not matrix hold, then we are going to subtract, otherwise we are going to skip. So here we say matrix dot hold j, so I row I column equals true, and here equals false. So if we hold a key, it stays until I release. That's so cool. That was good. I like that. Okay, so next I would like to fix the error when closing the program. That's not cool. So well done, you did it fast. Yeah, because, well, I don't know. It just came to my mind how to do it. So next I want to stop this thread somehow. So instead of while true, I want to have a boolean called running equals true, while running equals false, update thread.join, but that can give me some problems. Okay, it's working for now. Okay, next thing I want to do is have like the numpad and block modules indicators. I would like to use these keys, the profile keys. So this one will be the numpad, and this one will be the block modules. I mean, no, block modules is in Spanish, sorry, in English it's caps lock. So this is caps lock indicator, and this is numpad lock indicator. So let's see how can I know if the state of that. get key state, let's see, with the BK capital. Sorry about my dog. Get key state. Will you just put the program in the background? Yeah, that's what I would do. Like with this one. This one is just a gradient and it does nothing. But I usually just let this run in background. Okay, so I'm going to make here a function called check state, and here we're going to call that. And let's do if get key state BK. What was it? BK capital. BK capital. What is this AND gate? I mean, AND operator. Let's read this. A virtual key, return value short. The return value specifies status. The high order bit is 1, the key is down, otherwise it is up. The low order bit is 1 if the key is toggled. Okay. So this AND okay, I know what this is doing. So AND 0s 0 1. Yeah, 1 2 3 and 4 bytes. If this is not 0, then this is on. Set let color I started studying C++. Or can be that. Yeah, that the difference is this is for comparing and this is for calculating the OR. So for example, wait, I'll comment this so that I don't forget. If I do int a, well, let's use a short because that's like binary. I'll use paint to short s, and I do this or this. What this will do is we have OS 0002 or OS 0001. This in binary is 1 0 and this in binary is 0 1. So 1 0 0 1. So the result is 0 or 1, which is 1, and this is 1 or 0, which is 1. So the result is 3 in binary. So that will do the calculation this one is for comparing, like if this happens or this other condition happens. That's for Boolean logic. And it happens the same with AND. We have the calculation and the comparison one, and also with assignment and comparing the equal signs. Was that understandable? I can repeat it if you want slower. So it makes the operation of the gates or and. Yeah, that's what it does. If you write a single character, it's the operation of the gate. And how do you do NAND? I don't think there is an operator for that, but you can just do a NOT and the AND, so NOT S and Y. That will be the NAND. I think there is only AND, NOT, and OR. I actually don't know if we have like more complex operations. NAND operator. And or. Oh, we have an S or. I didn't know that one. I sent this. Oh, that's interesting. Well, you can use NOT and the AND, so to make the NAND. So why isn't it working? Wait, let me check the table with the keys. My keyboard is Master Keys Pro L. So this is 021 and this is 24. Okay, 21. So it goes white for a second. Thanks for the explanation, no problem. Oh yeah, because it's going black again because of this function. So I will say matrix dot hold O21 equals true. It's not working either. get key state, PK capital, and 0s 1 not equals 0 is on. Wait, let me debug this thing out. Capitals on, 9, capitals off, and 9. I have to go, thank you, subscribe, thank you very much. See you. On, off, wait, what? Off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Why there was a triple off? On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. That's what. Oh, because there is like other thing. Okay. So if I row is 3 and I column is 0, this is the caps lock. We're going to check a state. Okay. Now, why does it go black instantly? My face.all 21 equals true. I'm going to put some music. I probably get copyrighted, but whatever. Let's play some music. This one is so cool. I hope it's not too loud. Okay, that should be fine. Background music. What happens if I comment this? Nothing. Okay. Why is it going black? I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Okay. Now this works. Okay, and we need to go. Okay, what is the color? No, so all 21 equals 2. There we go. Caps lock. And now I also want this. This is caps lock. Numlock. BK. Numlock. This will be 20 and that will be 21. Okay, so okay, it's working pretty good. If I roll is 1 and column is 18, then we check the state. That's so cool. Okay, and if I press these keys, it kinda goes weird. This one does weird things, but I can't change that. Okay, so random colors work well, but it doesn't seem like we're getting a lot of colors, and I think it has to do with these calculations because I never liked them. So I'll check them. Well, first let's check them. HI is a number from 0 to 5, which is the modulus cis of this divided by 60. minus h divided by 60 onto 6 minus 10. I will cast conclude here. That should be working. Those are the calculations. Well, this seems weird. This one minus f, but f can be greater than 1. H over 60 minus 6. Minus h I. It could even be negative. See. I also want to be able to control the speed. So, well, let's just set it to 5. I want more colors. Why does it give me like 5 or 6? should be able to give me like orange, but it's giving me just like this. It's dividing this into 6 sections, and then it's giving me one of those 6 colors. That's not what I want. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is different. Plus M. What is M? Oh. Okay. Let's try to use this one. And I'm going to move this into a different file because this is like too long twin line. So let's do this correctly. This one. C equals B times S. Oh, okay. S equals C times 1 minus the absolute value of H divided by 60 multiplies 2 minus 1. M equals B minus C. RB. Okay, now switch. Oh, that's if H greater than 0 and H is less than 60. Else if H is greater or equal to 60 and H is S C has 0, 0, 0, 0 has same, same as, and now R equals RP plus M times 225. G equals G prime plus M times 225, and B equals B prime plus M times 225. What happened with this? What's wrong? What? Follow? It's included. What you talking about? Oh, okay. Well, the stuff. So I'm not getting many photos. This is kinda disappointing. I'm always getting the same photos. Why is that? Yeah, it's rounding somewhere, and that's making it bad. Okay, where is it rounding? B times S. That's not rounding. Absolute value of H divided by 60. This is int, so let's make it float. And now it's giving me an error. Yeah, I cannot do the modulus if it's not an integer. Minus 1. This is giving good results in the website. Like if I set 0, it's red. 170, it's yellow. 75, it's changing. 80, it's changing. 90, that's changing. So what's the problem? Let's remove this. See out here. I'm going to do the see out H the space R G B casted to integer. You see, that's wrong. That's not what I want. See, 9 is 255, 41 is 255, 50 is 255. That's not working. M should be able to be negative. This is 1 times 1, which is 1. And then this is 1 minus 1, which is always 0. RP should be between 0 these are always 1. Is 1 obviously. I was going to put another song and I completely forgot what this was. This is one. So as ABS is giving me an float ABS. Now it isn't giving better results because this is an integer. But I don't get why it's working on this website. Like, changes the color really. And it's not working on my program if we are using the same formula.